Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making a recipe from this cookbook. I don't want to offend anybody, so I am not going to say it. But what this cookbook is very fast and easy to fix recipes in it with a sense of humor that she puts into her cookbook. I will leave the full recipe in the description, and you can read exactly how she wrote it in this cookbook. I won't be saying it like she said it, but you can read it if you care to. So what am I going to be making out of this book? 3-ingredient potato salad. So what all goes into the 3-ingredient potato salad? 2 30-ounce bags of frozen cubed hash browns. Mine are 32 ounces. 1 large stalk of fresh celery chopped super tiny. Mine's not large, I might use 2 of them. And 1 15-ounce jar of ranch style dressing. Mine is a bottle and it's 16 ounces. And that's our 3 ingredients. So let's begin. So take a really big pot. I didn't think I had one that worked with my induction stovetop, but I did find a granite type cooking one that is magnetic, so it should work. We'll find out. Put in just enough water to cover the hash browns. I'm not exactly sure. I know these are 32 ounces each, so I actually put in 2 gallons of water. If it's too much, I will take some out. So we'll turn on the heat and let this boil first. It's true what they say, a watch pot never boils. But I also wanted to point out I did scoop out a little bit of the water. So the pot is boiling. We'll add our hash browns now. And be careful adding the frozen hash browns to the hot water. The water will be hot, and if it splashes, and I think I was wise about dumping out some of that water. So cook this for 10 minutes and no longer. So it's been 10 minutes. Next we'll drain the potatoes. Next, take a really large bowl. This is the biggest bowl I have, and dump your potatoes in the bowl. Then take your 15-ounce bottle of ranch. Mine's 16 ounces. I hope it's enough since I had extra hash browns. And slather it all over the potatoes. And mix that up. Then take your 1 stalk of celery chopped into tiny pieces. I have had 2, and put that in your potato salad and fold that in. Makes a lot of potato salad. I hope it's good. So it is all mixed up. Season to taste with salt and pepper. I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir to mix the salt and pepper. Now the recipe did not call for it to chill. It just says once you do all that, you're done. So I'm assuming you can eat it right away. But Dave's not going to be home for about an hour and a half. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and chill until we're ready for supper. And there is our 3-ingredient potato salad. So as I said, this is the cookbook that I got this recipe out of. Here's the 3-ingredient potato salad, and rounding out the meal is the sloppy joe with cheese. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
3-ingredient potato salad.
Oh, a little different color. Is sour cream?
Ranch dressing.
Ranch dressing? Oh. It doesn't taste like obviously a traditional mustard potato salad, but it has a unique flavor. I kind of like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.